Picture this. You wake up and your contractor has vanished overnight. Like literally gone, tools abandoned, half your kitchen torn apart, and your $15,000 deposit, poof! This happens way more than you think. The wrong contractor turns dreams into nightmares. Unlicensed work, missed deadlines, budgets that triple overnight, and some literally vanish halfway through. Others use materials cheaper than dollar store knockoffs or leave you with legal headaches. That's exactly why InTheGTA.com exists. To help you find the most trusted renovators in the GTA, we've curated the top renovation contractors across the Greater Toronto Area, proven professionals with solid track records, crystal clear quotes, proper licensing, and results that actually last. No guesswork, no stress, no mess to clean up after. Don't risk your biggest investment on someone who might disappear with your deposit tomorrow. Start with confidence. Start with professionals who deliver. Visit InTheGTA.com and connect with the most trusted home renovation experts in your area. Your home deserves it.